Planter. Now this is your opportunity to stack up high. This could be your flowers. This could be your herb garden. This could be just entertaining in new and different ways and planting your flowers and in displaying them in not the standard boring old terracotta pot. This is lovely, it's pretty, it's got personality. You get all three of them today for $12.90. You get a small, a medium, and a large. The small is about 7.5 inches in diameter, 5.5 inches in height. The medium is 9 inches in diameter, almost 7 inches in height. And then the large, take a look at this one. This is really nice and big. This one is going to be about 11 inches in diameter, 8.5 inches in height, and they've got designs all the way around. So right over here, this is the one that obviously is the hummingbird design. We also have for you the dragonfly, which, by the way, they all coordinate back to the pillows, to the spheres, to the table, or to the bird baths. So there's your dragonfly. And then last but not least, here it is in the ladybug. The ladybug, oh, I love it.
Isn't that fun?
I know, I
red,
love
white,
it.
and blue.
All right, so here's what's going on. If you want the dragonfly, I've got fewer than 400. If you want the hummingbird, I've got fewer than 400 to go around. And if you want the ladybug, oh, we're last call. You know, I knew that this ladybug was gonna fly out of here.
Literally.
I mean,
literally.
yeah, literally. A red, white, and blue ladybug, sign me up.
Right. Isn't that fun? So these planters, Alberti, are such a labor of love for me because I designed these so that they could be indoor and outdoor. So if you're using them indoor, that's why you get the plugs for the bottom there. But then you also just get a cute little system that makes them stackable. So in a moment, you'll see in front of me where we stacked all three of them and then filled them accordingly. So you get all three different sizes. So you can use them separately here or down in front here next to the gazing ball and the fountain. We have that beautiful set where we actually tiered them. So if you were doing this for herbs, if you were doing these for your flowers, look how absolutely beautiful all three layers look. It adds height, it adds warmth. So in front of the doors, maybe walking in, on your back deck, maybe we have them around, down the center of your table if you're using them individually. So many different ways that you can use these, but true to Temp-tations, this is our stoneware. You have that fluting edge that runs around the rim. And for me, it was more about just creating a flower pot and creating an experience, that bright whites, the characters that come to life. Whether it's your ladybug, you know, we talk about good luck and protection, or the hummingbird, which happens to be my favorite, which is wisdom and beauty, or the dragonfly, joy and courage. So you pick kind of the theme you like, anchoring there in your front door, welcoming you home, sitting on top of your bistro set. How nice to coordinate back there. So many different uses. So instead of just creating a flower pot, I created a flower system where you could either have it all three out or all three stacked.
And remember, you get all three sizes, right? So you get the large, the medium, the small. By the way, none of them is small. They're all great, great sizes. They're like the perfect size. And I would say pick up more than one set, right? So if you want that look of like flanking the front door or like bringing some indoors, having some outdoors, pick up more than one set. Take a look at this video. We'll show you how to assemble them. There's not really a lot of assembly. It's very easy, but here's how you stack them. Take a look and we'll be right back.
Get our three-piece planter system. You can use a small, a medium, and large separately, or you can stack them and use them together. You have that beautiful fluting that runs around the edges, the pop of the pattern on the outside, whether it's our ladybug, our dragonfly, or our hummingbird. And here's why we call it a system. If you want to plug it because you want to use it inside, you can do that, and then nothing will get through. You can leave them open if you're starting to stack them. We give you plastic stakes so that you literally can tier all three sizes of your small, medium, and large planters.
So remember, you get every single thing that you need here. And by the way, they're so popular right now. I don't blame you. They're brand new today. We've never had anything like this at QVC. And you know, all the things that you love about Temp-tations. By the way, Tara, right?
Yes.
It's like the most beautiful, I love this construction, right? Like, this is not plastic. This is not something that's like a throwaway. This is like a beautiful heirloom piece.
You're absolutely right, in three beautiful sizes, right? Which was really important to me. So whether you're using these for your herbs, This is some beautiful rosemary. Maybe you're planting mint. Maybe there's your cocktail herbs that you love to plant. This is such a great size. But also use them together to tier separately. So I'm a big one on planters. I think they're great to tuck in various spaces. There you can see the trio. That's how they look when they're stacked together. Look how beautiful. Tuck them in with your pillows. Tuck them in with the bistro set. This entire collection was designed for indoor and outdoor spaces and gives you all the versatility to not redo your outdoor space, but to enhance it, to add those great pieces that make a house feel like a home.
And check this out right over here, right? So this is the stacked look of the ladybugs, which I don't even know if we have any ladybugs left. And if we do, pick them up because they are going quickly. 4 dozen left in the ladybugs, all right? So there's when we stack them. Come on over here. These are the dragonflies. Here we separated them out, right? Maybe you've got a look like this going on. If you want the dragonflies, not too many of any one of these choices to go around, fewer than 300 in the dragonflies. And then come on over here. I'll show you the, oh, look at the hummingbirds. Look at them set up like this, right? Fewer than 200 to go around now in the hummingbirds. $12.90. Pick up more than one set. They're so beautiful. By the way, if you are picking up the coordinating pieces, there's the bird bath. There's that illuminated sphere. You can get looks like this anywhere. And you know what? These are like the right pieces that transform that outdoor space. So today, we're giving you the opportunity to do that. This is a 3-piece set, which is really lovely, for $12.90 on Easy Pay. And here's a nice close-up, quick shot at your different options. So we've got the hummingbird right over here. We've got the dragonfly. Do we have any left in the ladybug? 2 dozen in the ladybug. Okay, so they're gonna sell out in the next minute or so. M70715 is your item number. Very, very popular. The fluted edges. Everything is just so lovely about this whole collection, Tara, that we're debuting today for the first time. You know, you've been here at QVC for now 20 years now. Is it?
Close to it, just about.
Yeah, close to 20 years. And when we sit here, we're like, wait a minute. She keeps bringing us new and exciting. And let's talk about exciting with this. This is that Mosaic Bistro set. So it's comfortable, it's pretty,